This is the GE side-by-side, but it is, as you see, smaller on the one side and bigger on the other side. Don't judge me, only judge yourself, because that's what counts. Yeah, so the freezer didn't give me too much to play with, and I was gonna work with it. Because I did like the GE appliances, but I didn't realize that GE sold itself to an Asian company. So why not just go with what I was giving for my range and my microwave, which is Samsung. And if you notice, they're cleaner, more straighter lines. This has more of a rounded edge that's kind of giving off a retro feel. Brand new, but the new one comes today. And yeah, the whole ice water filter thing here, still haven't used it because Best Buy still hasn't installed that, and I've been waiting for months. And yeah, so the new one is going to be more of a side-by-side. And yeah, I'm just gonna kind of, you might not hear this, but I'll probably just voice over. I don't know if I do or don't, but I like the fact that the new one is going to have gallon size things on the side all the way up and down the refrigerator. That's what I'm excited about. Those are going to be all clear. They don't have that thick band that's going to be all clear where you can see completely through, which I like because I always put stuff in there and forget about it. And the filter is going to be easily accessible because it's going to be over on the side somewhere, and the temperature controls are going to be over on the side somewhere as well. So yeah, I'm excited about that. But this is what it looks like, and I'm really not liking it. And these here that protrude out like that, we'll see. So this is it, and this is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like from the side. See that? Yeah, that's it. So next clip, you will be seeing the new one, depending on how I voice over. I don't know what else to say about this. Oh. Ice maker is back there. Taking up all this space. Ice maker. And then ice comes out here. So it's taking up space on the door and taking up space in the inside. That was another thing that was bothering me. And then I couldn't figure out how to put, there's a shelf missing. There's something, it's just stuff missing. I got it in, in here, but I didn't know where it went. So yeah, that's what we have. That's what we're working with. Yep. Once again, this is the refrigerator. Yeah. So this is what we're working. So he asked me to go outside to take a look at the refrigerator before they brought it in. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just giving it a look over, make sure it's not scratched or anything's not wrong with it before he brings it in. Now they're removing the refrigerator completely out and getting ready to bring the other one in. These guys were kind of fussy and like kind of rude in a little sense. I didn't like it, but oh well. So here's the new refrigerator, and this is the new one. The old one was a GE, and it had ice maker, filter, all the same bells and whistles as far as this is concerned. Crushed ice, cubed ice, water. Not major. The door handles are inside of the refrigerator, so it gives a more cleaner look. You don't see them protruding from the kitchen. It gives a cleaner look. It sets back further, but I get the cubic feet by the width of this refrigerator. So my guys gave me more than enough room. And what I love about this, not only the hidden doors, but the filter is down there. Very easy. You can see in both of the clear drawers. You can see in both of them. And it's more space. I don't have anything impeding. The other one had the filter up here impeding space. Every single one of these side things can hold gallons of milk. So they're all huge spaces for milk and juices and condiments, which I love. Now, on this side, everything is in the door as far as the ice maker. So I got all freezer room and a actual literal basket, and not just those wire baskets that are just open. So I have an actual literal basket and lots of freezer room. The other one, the ice maker, took up space here. and it was just a little teeny shelf. Look at that. Look at all that space. So I will be able to see my ice, how much ice it makes, everything right here. Okay. And then it also has shelves down here at the bottom. It looks like a shelf is missing because unless I can put those where I want to. Okay. So those are the shelves there. And yeah, the light in it is a LED as well. I just love the fact that the filter is just right there. It's just clean cut. It's tall. Did I forget? I knew it was something missing. And these are the temperature controls right on the inside. Easy to get to for the ice maker, door alarm, everything. Everything is right here. They didn't set nothing. They just dropped it off. And so I guess I have to figure that out. So yeah, let's get everything back in the refrigerator. Then the other refrigerator. Let me flip this around. Excuse me, I got a bonnet on, but I was kind of like right at that. I can't really see on top of this one. So yeah, that's the new Samsung refrigerator. Hidden doors, nice clean look. They kept the plastic on, thank God. So yeah, I see a scratch. I don't know if that's gonna go deeper than that, but I do see a scratch. We'll see when it's time to take that off. Yeah, so I gotta get all this food back in there, but that's what it looks like. And then you can see the difference of how it sticks out. The other one sticked out about right here, about another 4 or 5 inches out. So this one sticks perfectly back. And mind you, when they put the drywall here, you know, that's gonna cover and you won't see any of it. Like when you walk in the kitchen, it's all gonna be a smooth transition from out here into the kitchen. And the refrigerator is just sitting back there nice and clean. Love it, love it. All right, guys, let me get this food in my refrigerator. Later, gators. So here's a little side-by-side. Make sure you thumbs up and share the video. Subscribe and join the family if you're new. And I will see you guys later, gators.